Fresh with me on this episode about flowers. What kind of flowers would you like to receive?
None.
I think I would like to receive roses.
I tend to get roses because more romantic. Sometimes from FairPrice. I do know FairPrice food flowers well. Cheaper compared to nursery. Better than last time. More varieties.
Hi, I'm Karen, your fresh expert from FairPrice Extra Jurong Point.
People often go to nurseries to get flowers and houseplants, but they can actually get them here at FairPrice. We have special ready-made bouquets for all occasions, but you can also choose to make your own with our loose flowers.
You can ask also our in-house florist. Guaranteed, it's valued for money.
Here we have the potted houseplants. Helps improve the air quality and reduce stress.
You can also get some fresh herb from us.
Growing your own herbs is a lot more sustainable. If you have never grown herbs before, you can try chili or pandan. They are very durable and work well in Singapore weather.
So when you do your flower shopping, you can look for me or other fresh expert in our store. See you!